a stronger, more flexible you? Yes. Please. Ever wish you could move with more grace and ease? Imagine gliding through your day with the fluidity of a dancer, every step feeling light and effortless. Want to feel stronger and stand taller? Picture yourself with a posture so perfect, it exudes confidence and poise. Well, guess what? Pilates can help you do all that and more. It's not just about exercise. It's about transforming the way you move and feel every single day. Pilates is like a secret weapon for your body. It's a comprehensive workout that targets every muscle group, ensuring balanced strength and flexibility. It helps you build long, lean muscles, improves your posture, and enhances your overall body awareness. Imagine feeling more in tune with your body, understanding its needs and limits better, and leaves you feeling energized. After a session, you'll feel a rush of endorphins, leaving you refreshed and ready to tackle anything. And the best part? It's gentle enough for almost everyone, no matter your age or fitness level. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, Pilates can be adapted to suit your needs. So, are you ready to embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you? Imagine the possibilities of a stronger, more flexible body and a calmer, more focused mind. Let's dive into the wonderful world of Pilates. Together, we'll explore the techniques and benefits that make Pilates a beloved practice worldwide. Get ready to transform your life, one movement at a time. Pilates is a unique form of exercise that focuses on strengthening your core muscles, the powerhouse of your body. These muscles support your spine and help you move with stability and control. But Pilates is more than just core strength. It also improves your flexibility, balance, and coordination. It's like a full-body tune-up. And with regular practice, you'll notice a difference in how you look and feel. Starting anything new can feel a bit daunting, but Pilates is super beginner-friendly. The key is to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Remember, quality over quantity is key in Pilates. Focus on performing each movement with precision and control, rather than rushing through them. Ready to get moving? Whether you're new to Pilates or just looking to refresh your basics, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive in and get started. Let's start with a few basic Pilates exercises that are perfect for beginners. These foundational moves will help you build strength, flexibility, and confidence in your practice. Don't worry, these are simple and easy to follow. Remember, it's all about quality over quantity. Focus on your form and breathe deeply. First up, the 100. This exercise warms up your body and gets your blood flowing. It's a great way to kickstart your session and engage your core muscles. Lie on your back, lift your legs to a tabletop position, and pump your arms up and down while breathing deeply. Aim for 10 sets of 10 pumps, inhaling for 5 pumps and exhaling for 5. Next, the roll-up. This exercise strengthens your core and improves your spinal mobility. It's a fantastic way to stretch and lengthen your spine. Sit tall with your legs extended and slowly roll down one vertebra at a time. Then roll back up with control. Imagine peeling your spine off the mat and then placing it back down, one bone at a time. Finally, the bird dog. This exercise challenges your balance and stability. It's excellent for strengthening your back and improving your coordination. Start on your hands and knees, then extend one arm and the opposite leg, keeping your core engaged. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Repeat this move for a set of 10 on each side, focusing on maintaining a stable and strong core throughout. And there you have it. These 3 exercises are a great starting point for your Pilates journey. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks if needed. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate these moves into your routine regularly. Stay hydrated and enjoy the process. Pilates is not just about physical fitness, it's also about connecting your mind and body. With time and practice, you'll notice improvements in your strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Keep up the great work, and don't hesitate to seek guidance from a certified instructor if you have any questions or need modifications. Happy practicing! Section 5. Ready, Set, Pilates. Now that you know a few basic exercises, it's time to get started with your Pilates journey. Pilates is a fantastic way to improve your flexibility, build strength, and enhance your overall well-being. Whether you're looking to tone your muscles, improve your posture, or simply find a new way to stay active, Pilates has something to offer everyone. Here are some tips to make your experience enjoyable and effective. First, find a qualified instructor. A knowledgeable instructor can make a world of difference in your Pilates practice. They can provide personalized guidance, ensure you're performing exercises correctly, and help you avoid common mistakes that could lead to injury. A good instructor can guide you through the proper form and technique, especially when you're just starting out. They can also offer modifications to exercises to suit your individual needs and fitness level. Second, start with mat classes. Mat Pilates is a great way to learn the fundamentals before progressing to equipment-based classes. It allows you to focus on mastering the basic movements and building a strong foundation. Mat Pilates is a great way to learn the fundamentals before progressing to equipment-based classes. It's accessible and requires minimal equipment, making it perfect for beginners. And finally, listen to your body. Pilates is about mindful movement and connecting with your body. Pay attention to how you feel during each exercise and adjust as needed. Don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. It's important to progress at your own pace and give your body time to adapt to the new movements. It's okay to modify exercises or take breaks when needed. Remember, Pilates is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process, celebrate your progress, and most importantly, have fun. Section 6. Keep calm and Pilates on. Staying motivated is key to sticking with any fitness routine. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. Number 1. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to become a Pilates pro overnight. Start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. Number 2. Find a workout buddy. Having a friend to exercise with can make it more fun and help you stay accountable. And number 3. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Section 7. Listen to your body. Pilates is all about moving with intention and listening to your body's cues. If you feel any pain, stop and reassess your form. Remember, consistency is key, but pushing through pain can lead to injuries. Section 8. Finding your Pilates tribe. One of the best things about Pilates is the supportive community. Joining a class or finding a Pilates studio can connect you with like-minded individuals who share your passion for health and wellness. Section 9. time to roll out the mat. So, there you have it, your beginner's guide to the wonderful world of Pilates. Remember, it's all about taking that first step and embracing the journey. With dedication and consistency, you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Now, go ahead and roll out that mat. Your stronger, more flexible self awaits.